I've never really had an affinity towards Gears. He was always just the grumpy Papa Smurf of the Minibots, never really doing anything that impressed me as a kid. But I do like the Minibots in general, so I was excited to see more of them get new molds in the recent years. And I love seeing a pickup truck alt mode used, as they don't show up that often in Transformers. So when I saw Gears on store shelves, I was happy to pick him up and see what he was all about.
Why am I here again?
To tell the viewers about channel memberships.
What about them?
It's as little as $1 a month to support the channel.
Oh, yeah, sounds great.
So, can you tell them that, please?
No.
Why not?
Because you just did.
Legacy United Gears is a solid figure, and I mean that in every sense of the phrase. Looking over his robot mode, he has pretty much 0 hollow parts, which is always great to see. The colors are bright and fun, and he articulates like a dream. For a figure that has about 80% of his mass in his upper torso, it's pretty impressive how well this guy can move. He can wield his little submachine gun blaster like a pro, and looks adorable while doing it. Like a cranky grandpa, taking the get-off-my-lawn mentality a step too far. Gears also might have the largest head of any Transformer, proportionally speaking. But at the same time, it has more posability than some of the daintiest head sculpts out there. He really is quite expressive. The details on him are plentiful. Lots of little sculpted eye candy throughout, including under his chest panel, where they left a little nod to Changing Gears, his one major solo story of the original cartoon. Transforming Gears is where this toy really impressed me the most. It's just fun. I absolutely love the way the chest flips open and the arms tuck in. The result is a cute little pickup truck. More of the wonderful details come through here. The sculpting of the headlights and front grille, the sky blue painted windows, and the Autobot logo emblazoned across the hood all look fantastic. This is another shining example of the design team using the price point's budget to make a really solid figure. He may be smaller, but the engineering, the sculpted detail, and the paint more than make up for the value. I will say Gears is sculpted like a much larger heavy-duty truck, which makes the skinny wheels seem a bit weird. I also don't like that his tailgate is clearly the robot chest panel. It might have been nice if they had found a way to flip it around and make it look like a proper tailgate, but it's really not the end of the world. I really do like this vehicle mode a lot. Gears is a solid figure. Great transformation, fantastic details, and a joy to mess around with. He might be a grumpy old minibot, but he really does make me happy.
Prowl, transform! Hold up there, citizen. You're not thinking of watching this whole video and moving on without hitting the like button, are you? And I see you're not subscribed. That's a clear violation of code 42-1701C. Loser! Whoa! Well, it looks like you're getting off with a warning this time, because I need to go stop that crazy con. Make sure you like and subscribe.